Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome on my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm gonna use this 3D print which I printed on my 3D printer. It's the Phantom Dancer and I couldn't find this anywhere on the internet, so I let it design by a friend of me. His name is Mohammed and he has a YouTube channel. It's called 3Dinator. I will provide the link in the description below to the video where he designed this. I'm gonna use this to make a mold in my casting sand and then I'm gonna make it pure out of brass. Okay guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now, before I show you the result, I want to show you something else. This is the size of crucible that I normally use in my videos. This is a broken one, so I'm not going to use it anymore. But for one of my next projects, I needed a bigger crucible. And that's why I got myself this one. It's 3 times bigger. It's also 3 times more expensive. But yeah, it holds 3 times more liquid metal than this one. This one is $60 or $70 and this one is over $200, guys. I got 2 of them. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel to see me use one of these. It's a brand new one. You can see the sticker inside. I still have to remove it. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see me use this one. Now I will show you the result of the Phantom Dancer, guys. And here it is. I hope you like that result, guys. I mirror polished the blade, as you can see, and it's quite shiny. I will show it a little bit closer now. So you can see the result very good. So yeah, I hope you like this, guys. I think it's awesome. It shines very nice. And yeah, if you have any other ideas which I should cast in the future, let me know in the comments below and maybe I will make it happen. Okay guys, stay tuned to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.